We offer two different styles of cartridge covers. We offer the round and a non-round cartridge cover. For this installation, we'll be doing the non-round cartridge cover. For some of our non-round trim styles and thin wall application, we'll need to remove the guard that's delivered with the product itself or with the valve itself and exchange it out for a different guard. So we just need to remove the two screws. And install this particular guard. And it's just held in with the two screws. And this guard also has a lineup for your cutout. So now with the valve mounted behind, we'll start trimming out the valve. We'll start with removing the cartridge nut. Remove the flush plug. Install the cartridge. Start with removing the sleeve. Make sure that it's in the proper direction. Slide it right in. And thread on your cartridge nut. And make sure it's nice and tight. Then we can move forward with the sleeve. The sleeve has a hole on the bottom, so that should be at the 6 o'clock position, and that just simply pushes on. And then our backer plate. It has the indication, 12 o'clock. This on. And that's held in place with the two Phillip head screws. And just snug them up. They don't have to be over tight. And now the escutcheon plate, which simply pushes on. And we move on to the adapter. And that just goes onto the stem of the cartridge. And then the lever handle. And tighten it up with the Allen wrench.